In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a widget in Leadpages. Whether you're new to Leadpages or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through it in just 5 minutes. First things first, open up your browser. In the search bar, type Leadpages and hit Enter. When the search results appear, click on the official Leadpages link. This will take you to the Leadpages website. Next, you'll see an option to log into your account. If you already have a Leadpages account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're new, you may need to sign up first and then log in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Leadpages dashboard. This is where all your landing pages are stored. Find the specific landing page you want to work on and open it in the editor. The editor is essentially where all the magic happens. It allows you to modify the layout and content of your landing pages in real time. Now direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll notice several different icons. Locate the icon that says Widgets. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a variety of widget options you can choose from. Leadpages offers a wide range of widgets, including text widgets, video widgets, and more. Take a moment to think about what kind of widget would best serve your landing page. Once you've decided, click on your desired widget and drag it onto your page. You can place it wherever it makes the most sense for your content layout. Positioning the widget correctly is important for user engagement, so take your time with this step. With your widget now in place, it's time to customize it. Click on the widget you've just added to open its settings. These settings allow you to tweak various aspects of the widget, from its color scheme to the type of content it displays. If you're adding a text widget, you can modify the font, size, and color. For a video widget, you can insert a link to a specific video you want to showcase. Spend some time exploring the settings and customizing the widget to fit seamlessly into your overall page design. This level of customization really lets you tailor the widget to align with your brand and message. And that's it! You've successfully added a widget to your Leadpages landing page, all in less than 5 minutes. The process is quick, but the impact of adding the right widget can be significant, improving both the functionality and aesthetic of your page. Feel free to experiment with different widgets to see which ones provide the most value for your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!